We're at Jamie's Carpet. Chris, tell us about Jamie's experience. What is that?
Brenda, that's being able to come into a store and talking to an expert about something that you're interested in, not having to search for somebody to talk to.
So you've been doing this for decades. So what's the new trend?
I'll tell you what's new is really the shop at home, floors to your door. These showrooms are starting to disappear. It's more convenient to get the samples into your home, see the color, the style, the texture, in your own light with your own furniture and fixtures.
My favorite part is being able to load up the van and come straight to the home. Don't even waste your time coming to the showroom.
So can I just order online and install it myself?
You could, but you probably wouldn't want to because you wouldn't have any kind of a warranty. The manufacturer requires these floors to be professionally installed.
In my opinion, it's more attention to detail. It's all of the little things that you don't consider as a do-it-yourselfer that we do every day with our professional experience.
Chris, I see that you have your sons here. We've got Sonny and Jordan. And what made you guys get into the family business?
Honestly, the craftsmanship. Jamie's provides a great service for everybody, and with our expertise for installation, it's a great choice to go with.
I like to feel it's the passion you guys see that I have in the business, and you've picked that up, and you now have the same passion I do to make people happy with their floors, make sure they're getting what they pay for.
One of the things that my dad has always said is how much he enjoys every single day's unique experience in a customer's home. No two are the same.
So if you mention RES TV,
We give you a special discount off of the material purchase, anything in the store.
there you have it. Jamie's Carpet. Contact them today.
You gotta love it.
Floors to your door.
Get floored.